Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that many of you have requested, the stages of recovery for survivors of narcissistic abuse. It's important to note that I am not a licensed therapist, but I have done extensive research on this subject. So, let's dive in. The first stage is denial. It's common for survivors to initially deny that they were victims of narcissistic abuse. They might make excuses for their ex-partner's behavior or downplay the impact it had on them. However, as they start to educate themselves about narcissism, they begin to question their own experiences. Next comes realization. This is when survivors start connecting the dots and recognizing the patterns of narcissistic behavior in their ex-partner. They might also start to see similar traits in their parents or parents. It can be a shocking and painful realization, but it's an essential step towards healing. Once survivors accept the reality of their situation, they enter the stage of anger and grief. They feel angry at themselves for not realizing it sooner and angry at the narcissist for the abuse they endured. Grief also sets in as they mourn the loss of the relationship they thought they had. After anger and grief comes the stage of self-reflection and self-care. Survivors begin to focus on themselves, rebuilding their self-esteem, and setting boundaries. They may seek therapy or join support groups to gain validation and guidance from others who have been through similar experiences. The final stage is empowerment. Survivors start reclaiming their lives and rediscovering their true selves. They develop a stronger sense of self-worth and learn to trust their instincts again. They may even use their experiences to help others who are going through similar situations. Remember, healing from narcissistic abuse is a journey, and everyone's timeline is different. If you or someone you know is going through this, reach out to a professional for support. You are not alone, and there is hope for a brighter future. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.